Here's a cyber tip that'll protect you better than a parka in the middle of winter. Now, I'm sure you have locks on your doors and windows, and perhaps even an alarm system. But what if your home was surrounded by thieves who would stop at nothing to break in? Could be worse. Well, to make matters worse, let's say you got kids who love to leave the windows and the doors unlocked. What would you do about it?
Oh, oofda.
Well, thankfully, we're talking about cyber attacks, and one of the best ways to keep hackers out of your network is to install DNS Perimeter Filtering. If you're a business, popular choices for this specific tool are Cisco Umbrella, DNS Filter, and Mimecast. And if you're a home user, well, Cisco Umbrella, they got you covered too. You betcha! As an added bonus, most of these tools also include content filtering, so you can keep your employees
Or your kids.
away from all those nasty websites. Do you have DNS filtering deployed on your computers? Let me know in the comments.